Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new, hey, what's poppin'? So 2021 new looks. Yeah, so I'll be recreating this look from my TikTok bust it challenge. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm not sure why this is dark, if it is, but first I'll be going in with my Color Fusion palette. I'll be going in with this dark blue right here, and with that I'll be staying on my crease line right here, and halfway push it inwards and stop right there and just fill in right here. Y'all see how pigmented that is? I don't go above that line right there. Of course, next with that same brush, tap that off. I'll be going in with this lighter blue and finishing off the inner part of my eye with that. Alright, now with the excess that's on the brush, slightly tap it and fill in the upper part. But don't brush too harsh, only light. Alright, stopping right there. Continually dusting off the brush. I'll be going in with this lighter blue right up here. Well, whatever color that is. And tapping it because I don't want too much of that on the eye, especially on the upper part. And just lighten the top. And filling the rest of my eye space on top with it. Alright, so right here you see that it's an extremely harsh line right there. You don't want that, so what I continuously do is tap my brush and blend that in by just harshly pressing down and blending that out. Just like that. Alright guys, so next I'll be cutting the crease a little higher than I actually do because I want to create that line, that half of a crease line in the middle. So I'll start off with, of course, the outer part and bring it upward. Alright, you want to clean that up. Just like that. Alright guys, so after you've done the both eyes, you want to go in with this pink right here, and on both sides at the same time you want to slightly just start from the bottom and go half of the half. Making sure to keep that area right there clean. and using that same brush to make sure that the transition is smooth, you're going with this orange right here and pack that on, starting on top of the pink and moving forward. Alright, so of course you want to go in with that same brush and with this yellow right here, finish off that line. And what I do is I always bring this part here just a little more outer than the actual concealer did. Just because when you finish with it, it blends in and creates a smooth green. Alright, so you guys want to go back in with the concealer and cut that so that it can be extremely like smooth and like create like a semi-perfect line. So what we're going to do is go in with our flat brush and we're just going to cut that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with this dark blue again and finish this look off. Just patting it as much as I can. The more you pat on, the darker it becomes. And then what I do is the brush that I use to fill in this colorful part right here, I go in with it in the blue. And the fine print right there by the crease is what I use to pack that on. Just like that. And then I go back in with this bigger brush and just fill that in. Like I said, packing on as much as you can with that one. And don't be afraid to go back in and clean up these lines right here. Just like that. So I look a little crazy right now, but I just wanted to come back in and show you guys how I clean up this right here and make it a more, how to say it, a more like this, like sharp. So I go in with the excess blue that's on this small brush and I just just lightly stroke that. Alright, and then what I do too is I go in with the yellow, and I go and just like that. Alright, going back in with the blue. And the yellow, just until I get that final look that I want, just like that. Alright, so the final thing that I do is take the concealer and on both sides. Just to sharpen that up. Guys, so lastly, you want to go in with the excess that's on the brush from the dark blue and just fill in the underneath of your eye with it. Just like that. So to clean that up, you want to go in with your something that's like a concealer or something and just kind of blend it together. Just like that. Just like that. Alright guys, so that was the end of this look and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.